Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, a masterpiece of engineering that pushes the boundaries of American sports cars. Buckle up as we explore its design, performance, technology, and the sheer thrill it offers both on the track and the open road. A legacy reimagined. The Corvette nameplate has always been synonymous with American muscle and performance. The 2025 Z06 takes this legacy to unprecedented heights, embodying the perfect fusion of heritage and innovation. Heart of a beast. The LT6 engine. At the core of the Z06 lies the all-new LT6 engine, a 5.5-litre V8 marvel featuring a flat plane crankshaft. This naturally aspirated powerhouse churns out a staggering 670 horsepower at 8,400 revolutions per minute and 460 pounds-to-feet of torque at 6,300 revolutions per minute. Such figures not only make it the most potent naturally aspirated V8 in a production car, but also deliver a spine-tingling exhaust note reminiscent of exotic European supercars. Performance beyond numbers. Numbers alone can't capture the Z06's essence. Its mid-engine layout ensures optimal weight distribution, enhancing handling and stability. The acceleration is blistering, with 0 to 60 miles per hour achieved in just 2.6 seconds. Rivaling some of the world's elite supercars. Aerodynamics and design. The Z06 isn't just about raw power, it's a symphony of aerodynamic artistry. Wider fenders accommodate larger wheels and tires, while redesigned front and rear fascias optimize airflow. Functional elements like the front splitter, rear spoiler, and side air intakes aren't merely aesthetic, they play pivotal roles in cooling and downforce, ensuring the car remains planted at high speeds. Track-focused engineering. For those seeking an even more aggressive setup, the Z07 performance package offers carbon ceramic brakes, enhanced stopping power and reduced fade during intense track sessions. Carbon fiber wheels, reduction in unsprung weight, improving handling responsiveness. Enhanced aerodynamics. Additional aero elements increase downforce, providing superior grip through corners. Interior, where luxury meets functionality. Step inside the Z06, and you're greeted by a driver-centric cockpit that marries luxury with purpose. Premium materials, available in various trims, including leather, suede, and carbon fiber accents. Advanced technology, a configurable digital instrument cluster and a high-definition infotainment system keep drivers connected and informed. Performance seats, designed to provide support during spirited driving while ensuring comfort on longer journeys. Customization and personalization. Chevrolet understands that every enthusiast has a unique vision for their Z06. With a plethora of options from exterior colors and stripe packages to interior finishes and wheel designs, owners can tailor their Corvette to reflect their personal style. Driving dynamics. A symphony on wheels. The Z06 isn't just about straight-line speed. Its chassis has been meticulously tuned to offer sharp, communicative steering and a balanced ride. Whether carving through mountain roads or attacking apexes on a racetrack, the Z06 delivers an engaging and confidence-inspiring experience. Technological innovations. Modern performance demands modern technology. Performance data recorder allows drivers to capture and analyze their driving sessions, perfect for those looking to improve their skills on the track. Magnetic ride control adjusts the suspension in real time, offering a compliant ride on the street and a firm, responsive setup on the track. Driver assistance features. While the Z06 is a performance machine, it doesn't skimp on safety, offering a suite of driver aids for everyday usability. The soundtrack of performance. One can't discuss the Z06 without mentioning its exhaust note. The high-revving nature of the flat-plane crank V8 produces a distinctive sound, setting it apart from traditional American V8s. It's a symphony that delights the senses, making every drive an auditory experience. A supercar for the modern era, the 2025 Corvette Z06 isn't just a leap forward for Chevrolet, it's a statement in the automotive world. It challenges the notion that superlative performance requires a six-figure price tag from European marques. With the Z06, enthusiasts get world-class performance, cutting-edge technology, and iconic styling are all wrapped in an attainable package. Conclusion: the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is more than just a car, it's a testament to what's possible when passion meets engineering excellence. It honors its storied past while propelling into the future, offering enthusiasts a driving experience that's both thrilling and rewarding, whether you're on the track or the open road. The Z06 is a reminder of why we love cars in the first place. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 2025 Corvette Z06. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and automotive adventures. Drive safe and keep the passion alive. The backside of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is designed for both aesthetics and aerodynamics, making it as functional as it is aggressive. One of the most striking features is the wide, sculpted rear fenders that accommodate the massive rear tires, enhancing grip and stability at high speeds. At the center of the rear is the Z06's signature quad exhaust setup, positioned in a unique center exit configuration. This not only sets it apart visually but also enhances the incredible, high-pitched sound of its naturally aspirated 5.5-liter LT6 V8 engine. The exhaust note is unmistakably an exotic, race-inspired symphony that turns heads wherever it goes. Above the exhaust, the rear fascia is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, incorporating large vents for cooling and airflow optimization. The available Z07 performance package adds an even more aggressive carbon fiber wing, which significantly increases downforce, keeping the car planted during high-speed cornering. Sleek, modern LED taillights give the Z06 a futuristic yet distinctly Corvette look, with sharp angles that complement its bold stance. The rear diffuser, designed to channel air efficiently, contributes to stability and improves aerodynamics for better track performance. Chevrolet also offers various customization options for the rear, including carbon fiber accents and unique trim finishes, allowing owners to personalize their Z06. Every detail of the 2025 Corvette Z06's back end is engineered for speed, performance, and striking visual appeal, ensuring that it looks just as thrilling as it drives. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.